everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today we will explore Assam and Assamese Bihu festival drawing. As we already discussed in previous session about Ganga Sagar Mela and Makar Sankranti, we are going along with it with the touch of Harvest Festival. And this is Harvest Festival time all over India. So we cannot forget our very own Bihu festival as well from Northeast India. A state which is known as Land of Teas, known for its wildlife and archaeological sites. And of course, who cannot get mesmerized by Assam silk? Who cannot get enthralled by Kamakha temple and Hajo and Madan Kamdev temple ruins? Beautiful. So now coming to the Bihu festival. So Bihu is actually celebrated 3 times in a year. It is a set of 3 important festivals. There are 3 Bihu festivals which is celebrated thrice in a year in the Indian state of Assam. Or should we say Assamese people celebrates this. So these 3 Bihu festivals are Rongali or Bohag Bihu, which is observed in April, Kongali or Kati Bihu observed in October, and Bhogali or Magh Bihu observed in January. So basically, this year Rongali Bihu falls on April 14th. So Rongali Bihu is the most important festival for the Assamese people because they celebrate their new year this time. And in January, so like in the time of Harvest Festival, in the time of Makar Sankranti, they celebrate Magh Bihu or Bhogali Bihu. So like some other Indian festivals, Bihu is also associated with the agriculture and rice in particular. So Assamese people रोंगाली बिहू के द्वारा अपने नववर्ष का पालन करते हैं. हर साल अन्य 2 बिहू त्योहार को भी Assamese people मनाते हैं. कुछ अन्य भारतीय त्योहार की तरह बिहू भी कृषि और विशेष रूप से चावल के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. बोहाग बिहू एक बुआई का त्योहार है. कटी बिहू फसल संरक्षण और पौधे और फसलों की पूजा के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है, जबकि भोगाली बिहू एक फसल का त्योहार है. असमिया लोग रंगोली बिहू को दावत, संगीत और नृत्य के साथ मनाते हैं. कुछ लोग अपने घर के सामने अगर कोई पिलर टाइप का कुछ है तो उसमें पीतल, तांबे या चांदी के बर्तन भी लटकाते हैं, जबकि बच्चे फूलों की माला पहनते हैं और सड़कों से गुजरते हुए एक दूसरे को नए साल की शुभकामनाएं भी देते हैं. Now the term Bihu is also used to imply with the Bihu dance, otherwise called Bihu Nas, and Bihu folk songs, which is called as Bihu Geet. So Bihu is actually, the term is used to represent the dance which they do at the time of Bihu festival. So they celebrate Bihu festival with the dance. So that dance is called Bihu dance, which is a folk dance from Assam. And it is a very important part of Assamese culture. So when we talk about Bihu festival, we cannot ignore Bihu dance. It's a very rhythmic song and rhythmic dance. Performed in a group, the Bihu dancers are usually young men and women, and their dancing style is characterized by the brisk steps and rapid hand movements. And the dance costumes are very colorful and generally centered around the red colored theme. Signifies joy and vigor. आज मैंने भी सोचा कि इस त्योहार के साथ साथ अपने ड्राइंग को भी थोड़ा रंगीन स्पर्श दिया जाए। वैसे तो ड्राइंग हमेशा ही रंगीन ही होता है, तो मैंने सभी माध्यमों का यूज करने की कोशिश किया है, जैसे कि वाटर कलर, स्केच, ऑयल पेस्टल, कलर पेंसिल्स इत्यादि। I hope that today I could give you a touch of a lovely state, Assam. We will keep exploring new places of new arts and unknown facts. If you like our drawing sessions, subscribe to our channel. यदि आपको हमारा ये ड्राइंग सेशन पसंद आ रहा है तो हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. We wish you a great week ahead. May this festival of zeal, verve, fill your life with lots of energy and enthusiasm. May it help bring happiness and prosperity to you and your loved ones. Happy Bihu, Pongal, Lohri and Makar Sankranti to you and your family. Bye bye. Take care.